Welcome to Storytime Pals. Subscribe to keep the stories coming.
Hi there, boys and girls. I hope you're doing well. This is your pal, Vernon. The next story I'll be reading to you is another Danny and the Dinosaur book called Danny and the Dinosaur, The Big Sneeze. Uh-oh. Let's see what happens. Here we go. It was a rainy day, but a fun day. Danny and the Dinosaur got drenched. Oh no. See you tomorrow, they said to each other. But the next day, Danny woke up with a sore throat and sniffles. Oh no, Danny got sick. And the dinosaur had a little cough. Oh boy, that's not good. You're staying in bed, buddy, said Danny's father. And I'm taking care of you, said his mother. But I'm not that sick, Mom, said Danny. Better safe than sorry, she said. Yep, that's one of the best ways to get better. At the museum, the director told the dinosaur, you'll need to take a day off. But I'm not that sick, said the dinosaur. Get some rest, said the director. Danny's mother covered him in lots of blankets to keep him warm and cozy. The museum director did his best to make the dinosaur comfortable. Oh, that's very nice. Danny's mother brought him chicken soup for his sore throat. That sounds really good. The director brought the dinosaur some water for his cough. These are all very good things to do when you get sick. The day seemed longer than forever. There was nothing to do but lie in bed. Oh, Danny and the dinosaur felt bored. Oh, but you know what? I'll feel better later. Danny phoned the dinosaur. Sorry I can't play today. I'm sick in bed. Me too, said the dinosaur. Being sick is no fun. Feel better soon. Danny's mom brought out his old jigsaw puzzle. Ooh, that's fun. The director let the dinosaur play with a jigsaw puzzle too. He's putting together some ancient pottery. That's very cool. Danny's mother played cards with him to pass the time. At the museum, the dinosaur tried playing rock, paper, scissors, but the cavemen were no fun. Oh boy. Danny sneezed. Achoo! 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 Woof! His mom brought him tissues. Woof! But when the dinosaur sneezed, uh-oh. Achoo! Everybody ran and hid. At the end of the day, Danny and the dinosaur each curled up in their own beds with a good book and got plenty of rest. The next morning, Danny and the dinosaur woke up feeling much better. They were well enough to go outside. How was your sick day? Danny asked. Not bad, said the dinosaur. But nothing beats feeling better, said the dinosaur. Except maybe spending time with your best buddy, said Danny. The end. That's all you have to do. You just have to get some good rest, get some food, water, and you'll feel much better when you're sick. Well, thanks again for joining me, boys and girls. I'll see you next time. Bye. Thanks for watching Storytime Pals. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.